Glad to see all of you here this afternoon. All I need is a piece of paper and a pencil, please, Yogesh. I'm using this only for jotting down certain questions or answers if the occasion arises. You all look well prepared today. Have you brought any problems, all of you? Oh, that's very nice. Would you all raise your hands, all those who have brought problems? Good. Very good. Now, I'd like to do like this. I know that most of you have worked out the problems at home and brought the answers as well, right? You got your answers with you? Okay. Now, don't give me the answers because I'm the one who is supposed to find out the answers. Just write down the questions and pass it on to me, please. Can I have your question also? You give. This is your question? I see. Okay. Any more questions, please, ladies and gentlemen? Yes. Oh, wonderful. Very nice. Yes. Any more? Oh, there are so many problems here. I really don't know how many I can answer, ladies and gentlemen, but I'll try to do the most interesting ones and also the most difficult ones. My goodness, Mr. Grover has brought a question in 15th root. Yes, that's nice. Any more? Could you help me, please? If you want the answers in decimals, you must write decimals, you see. Otherwise, it's, I wouldn't know whether you've taken the answers in integer or decimals. So sometimes when the number is not perfect, I may misunderstand that you have made a mistake in the multiplication. So it helps if you tell me that you want the answer in decimals and how many places in decimals. Okay? I'll start now. I'll quickly go through, the ones that are very small. I don't think I'll waste my time with them. But the difficult problems I'll go through and I'll start doing them right away. Here is a problem, for example. Here is very nice one. This is a 12th root. This is a 4th root. And here is a question in 8th root. Mr. Ashok Sharma?
That's right.
Is that you?
Yes,
did you do these machines on the... Did you do these problems in the machine?
No, I did on a small calculator.
Oh, good. Actually, these small calculators, I don't even compete with them. Do you have an idea what is my record to date?
I read the paper.
23rd root of a 201 digit number quicker than the computer by 10 seconds, So I don't consider these machines as my match, but anyhow, I mean, it's okay. It's all in good fun. Now, here are some questions by Mr. R.K. Subramaniam of the Computer Center. But Mr. Subramaniam's question is very funny. Mr. Subramaniam, you say, please repeat the following number at the end of the program. No, I am not well known for memory or anything like that. I do calculations. You got the whole story wrong. You might wonder, when I do a very small number to start with, why am I doing such a small number? The reason is, I have to start with small numbers in order to gain a certain amount of concentration. And once I get moving, then I do fantastic big numbers. I'll try to select the best ones available this afternoon. And here is the first question. This is given by Mr. Ashok Sharma. Mr. Sharma,
Right.
have you got the answer with you?
I have the answer.
Oh, very good. Could you kindly write down this question, please? Or let me select even a more complicated, slightly complicated one. You see? This is by Mr. Oh, yes. Here is an 8th root, also by Mr. Ashok Sharma. Shall I do your 8th root first and then do your 4th root? Great. Thank you. This is an 8th root by Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma's question is, what is the 8th root of 5, 7, 6, 4, 8, 0, 1. Mr. Sharma, you want the 8th root of this number? 7 is the answer, right? I can even give you the steps. Thank you. I'm going to give you the steps now. Would you like to compete with me on your little hand calculator?
Try.
Okay, now 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. 49 multiplied by 7 is 343. 343 multiplied by 7 Oh, don't give up so easily, Mr. Sharma. Oh, you shouldn't give up easily. Okay, how about you? Will you compete with me?
6.999.
Oh, goodness. Oh, that's no use. I mean, you can't take approximate numbers. It's got to be exact.
Accurate to the 10%.
Oh, well, I know. The machines have their limitations, whereas humans have no limitations. That's the difference, you know. Let's see now. So I'll give these steps anyway for my own satisfaction, okay? 7 multiplied by 7. Yogesh, you're not writing anything. Please go ahead, please. 7 multiplied by 7 is 49, multiplied by 7 is 343, multiplied by 7 is 2401, multiplied by 7 is 16807, multiplied by 7 is... okay, you don't want to go anymore? Okay, let's go on then. Well, I'll do it anyway for my satisfaction. Multiplied by 7 is equal to 117649, multiplied by 7 is equal to 823543, and that multiplied by 7 is the number you wrote on the blackboard.
That's right.
Okay? You checked it. Great. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me select one more number here. There is one by Mr. Tolani. Mr. Tolani, did you want a decimal answer for this number? Integer answer. Okay, let's see. You kindly write this. Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like it takes a little time for Yogesh to put the number on the blackboard. So what you can do, while he is writing a number, you can ask me questions in dates. Okay? Sardarji, aap bataiye, when were you born?
I was born on 13th April 1940.
1940, 13th April.
Right.
You were born on a Saturday?
Right.
Right. How do you know? Your mother told you?
I had come prepared with this.
Okay. You asked your mother before you came here, right? So, yes?
What date it was on 13th of May 1937.
13th of May, Thursday is the answer, right?
Thank
Acha, I see. Now let's see. Oh, Yogesh, you haven't even finished the number. Good God. Who did this number? Did you do it?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. The question here is 320-904-6874. You say it's an integer answer. That means you have made number of mistakes in the multiplication. Your number is totally wrong. Could you show me your working? I'll tell you where all you made the mistake.
I did this on a computer.
On a computer. My goodness. I know computers may sometimes do make mistakes, but not to this extent. Now, will you tell me what's your answer? I'll tell you where the mistake is.
1475.
Oh, my goodness. 1475. You must be kidding, absolutely.
How wrong is it?
It's absolutely wrong. It's one of the wrongest numbers I've come across in my whole life. Please rub it off, because, you know, if it was slightly wrong, I would have corrected it. Wait a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, if you suspect that I'm not telling the truth, I'm just trying to wriggle away from giving the answer, please note down this number, go home, and what did you say the answer was?
1475.
Ah, 1475. Fantastic. Okay, all of you please take 1475, work it out at home 3 times by itself. And if that gives you this result, please, wherever I am in the world, I may be anywhere for the next 6 months, just get in touch with me. Okay? Yes?
The last digit is...
No, it's wrong. The whole number is wrong. It's no use because... Wait, please, no, now please all of you settle down. Now the number is wrong. So even if one digit is wrong, it's wrong. So could you kindly rub it off, please? Here is a number, a 4th root by Mr. Ashok Sharma. Mr. Sharma, you got the answer of this number? I hope you got the right answer. Did you also use a computer? Oh. I didn't mention any names, I just said a computer. Okay, yeah. Yes, this is the question. 389-50081. 79 is the answer. Thank you. Thank you. Is there any more dates anyone would like to ask me?
Yes, I have a question to ask.
Yes.
In which year will February 29 fall on a Monday?
You see, that way there'll be so many years.
No, the next one.
Oh, the immediately next one. That's a very interesting question. Would you like to write it down?
Yes. What is the question again?
In which year will February 29.
1960 was one. Correct?
That's correct.
1960.
The next one now.
Oh, I'm going to give you the next one. Don't you worry. But I just
February
said
29 fall on a Monday.
1988 is the next year.
Correct.
Correct? Thank you. Is there any more questions you would like to ask me in dates? Yes? Yes?
Which day of the week was on 25th April 1960?
25th April 1960? That's a Monday, right? Okay.
30th October 1938.
13th October 1938? Thursday.
30th. 30.
30. And what else? 19?
38.
Oh, God. Now I forgot the year, month. Please say it in a sequence. 1930. Oh, 1938, October 30th. Sunday. Thank you.